discovered the secret to making an amazing fruit dessert, which the confectionery doesn't want you to know. First, take a board and cut 2 units of apples. How about using a red apple to give more color? Now, let's cut 2 bananas. And don't forget to choose the ripe ones, they are sweet and tasty. Then cut a cup of seedless grapes. These will bring a delicious crunchy. And finally, half a unit of a papaya. The papaya will give a tropical touch to our dessert. In a greased pan, add the bananas, papaya, apples and grapes in an organized way. Look how beautiful it looks. Now, let's leave this base colorful and full of flavor. Now, in a blender, add 400 g of cream and 400 g of condensed milk. Beat everything for a minute, and feel the delicious smell that will invade your kitchen. In a bowl, add 24 g of colorless gelatin and 10 tablespoons water. Microwave for 30 seconds to dissolve. Gelatin is the trick to make everything super creamy. Pour the gelatin dissolved in the blender and whisk for another minute. Look at this mixture. It's time to pour this cream on top of the fruits that are already in the form. What a beautiful combination. Now, organize everything cute and take it to the fridge for 4 hours. This is the time necessary for everything to be cold and perfect. And here it is. Our super tasty and amazing dessert is ready to be served. Look at this texture. It's mouth-watering. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to follow and like our page for more delicious tips. Bon appetit and see you next time. Let's taste together this delight.